This is JFK Terminal 5. And we are going to Texas. Austin, Texas. I got the free flights from Jetblue, so I just want to say thank you, Jetblue, as well as my friend Leslie for letting me have this free experience of a flight to Texas by Jetblue. Good evening. We just arrived in Austin, Texas. My hair is really messy, but I show you the rooms because before it gets really messy. Let me show you around. Hi, Opa. Alright. So this is at Fairmont Hotel. They have like toilet. So you can see, I still don't know where everything are. This is you go out, you have the big closet here with like safe, iron, robes, and then here you have the bed, and we have the city view, which is I think one of the lowest cost of hotel room here. Okay, and this is in Fairmont in Austin. It took about 20 minutes, and we took the green cab, which cost us about $40, including $50 including the tip. So our plane was delayed, so we just got here. It's past midnight. Anyways, we're excited to show you guys Austin. Stay tuned. Good morning! Welcome to Austin! We just arrived here last night. We are currently staying here in Fairmont in Austin, Texas. We can't wait to show you guys all the food and things we're gonna do here. Stay tuned. Alright, this is fancy. They have this. These are so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna smell so good for the first time in a long time. Check out their coffee pots. What is this called? K-pods?
Espresso.
Oh, this is espresso. Obviously, I don't have one. Right, time to explore, baby. This is my husband's first time in Texas and his first Texas barbecue. Yeah, excited. Ooh, I'm getting it's a little bit cloudy right now. It's a little bit cloudy right now. It's about like 60s, I think. But it's beautiful. It's not humid. It's wonderful. Can't wait to explore this area. Wow. People ride scooters here. It's pretty much like everywhere. Woo. Check this out. Ooh, they have the fall season trees. So serene. Driving doesn't look so bad. Hope it doesn't rain. This background. Okay. We are walking 26 minutes from our hotel to the first barbecue in Texas. Well, Jeff's first, and this is in Terry's Black. Scooters. They like scooters here in Texas. Austin specifically. Guys, there's like scooters everywhere. Let's go around. So, it was really nice. Then it started to rain a little bit. It's about, feels like about in the 50 degrees or more. Maybe 50 to 60. It's a little bit chilly. It's like in the fall season in New York. It's cloudy. I wish there's more sun. Hey! Watch out. Walking tour starts now. My battery is running out of battery. So downtown metro. This is a metro rail? Oh. Where you wanna go, babe? Check out where it goes. We're just gonna walk around, explore the area. Let's see where this goes. Hello. Weird stuff. Museum of the Weird.
Would you like a receipt? Yes, please.
Awesome. You ready? To the Museum of Weird. Babe, it looks like it. These are relatives, babe.
And 12. Thank you.
Oh, one of them got a stroke. Interesting.
I think they both send it up.
Shang and Ing eventually married a pair of daughters, sisters Adelaide and Sarah Yates. No, like literally, that's the thing is like a lot of sea like life are turning into crabs because crabs are just better. Like all of their appendages have a use, and we don't have that one yet. That's the.
It's like a hint. Freak show? Wanna go here? Freak show? Scared. Ooh.
I think your father would like this.
What?
Your father would like this.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
In the early 1900s, he became a consummate superstar. Receiving $500 a week. That was a lot of money when you consider $9 to buy a man's cereal taste. It's an act of divine expenditure. You might do so.
What you feel is right, of course.
Be nice to your wife.
Question to which you already know the answer.
It's saying you had to treat me well. Yeah. Wow. Do you think they did our... Wow. So pretty.